Everybody asking how we doing, say we good. Don't need no one to tell me how to live just like they would. It ain't their business, but they in it, I don't know why. Revolved around my life after I found another.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am teacher Rachel, your teacher in daily. And before we start, please stand for every year. And let them please read the
Father, and what you praise your name. Our Father, in heaven,
the power of the earth.
give us daily our sins. We will forgive us and deliver us from evil. Father, and what you praise.
That's the priority. The seat, please pick up and listen to the and forgive us. So before we start, we ask Papa to go say prayer.
I'm glad that you know about the absolute.
That's great. We have over attendance today. So before we proceed our discussion, how to get us remembers about what our resolution day and what it's all about.
We discussed about the 5 goals of the Republic.
And who can give me some examples of what goals and development that we do?
Examples of 5 tools of training are the tractors, rake, rover, and sprayer.
Excellent. So I have here a picture. What we have to do is going to identify the picture and found in the kitchen. And you must make sense in the wall. Okay, thank you. Let's go on first. Okay. In paper the content, so I will present the offering. So at the end of the lesson, the student are expected to identify the materials of teaching utensils and tools commonly found in the kitchen. Value and importance of the kitchen utensils and demonstrate the proper use of kitchen tools. So based on the activity I've done earlier, what have you noticed?
About the different utensils found in the kitchen. Yes.
Really beautiful. So our topic for today is all about materials of kitchen utensils and tools. So kitchen utensils and tools can hold in your hands and use around the house. For example, rolling pin, history.
Our rolling pin utensils used to shape a pattern in wood. Spatula. A spatula tools are used to measure small quantities of sugar and regulate ingredients. Measuring cup is a kitchen utensils generally to measure the volume of thickness of sugar. The basic is the
going to grind sweet ingredients that are fresh and result in the smooth flavor. Mixing bowls are perfect for mixing all the ingredients before you put them in the bowl. Frying pan. Frying pan are turned in the pan for frying, searing, and warming food.
That's
Volunteer.
It's
Food such as pasta,
okay. So who can give me some example of ingredients? Okay. So what have you learned? So what have you learned in this today's topic? Miss Tutnayan. What have you learned in today's topic? We need to learn how to use the method. Very good. Another, what is the importance used to correct the unloading and cooking? Mr. Diego.
It makes the cooking process more efficient and safer.
So, okay, so let's have the activity. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer that. Okay, thank you. So, assignment rather. So, this is one. I take note na lang. What are the two main steps involved in maintaining fixing cells and goals? Okay, that's all for today. Thank you everyone and goodbye.
Bye, ma'am.